Stop everything you're doing. Samsung just accidentally leaked the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and what I'm about to show you will make the S25 Ultra look ancient in 2026. We're talking 60-watt charging, a completely new design language, official wallpapers that scream, "This is real," and colors so good even Apple fans are already crying. Hit that like button if you're excited, and let's dive in. First leak that broke the internet. These are the final colors of the S26 Ultra, and one of them is absolutely insane. Look at this lineup: matte black, titanium silver, sky blue, navy, bright orange, and wait for it, blood red. Samsung is finally giving us bold colors again. No more boring gray and beige. But here's where it gets crazy. Someone just leaked Samsung's internal codename, Project Killshot, and these are the official wallpapers. Look at these gradients, the curved edges, and that crosshair dead in the center. This isn't fan-made. This feels 100% factory-loaded. Now hold your breath. Samsung just confirmed and no delay. Everyone thought the S26 series was getting pushed back 4 weeks. Wrong. Official Korean reports say launch in late January 2026 and on sale early February 2026. Mark your calendars, Europe. Pre-orders start in just 9 weeks from now. But the biggest shock is hidden in the software. Samsung is finally ending the charging joke. One UI 8.5 code just leaked: super fast charging 3.0, level 4. Translation? 60 watts confirmed for the S26 Ultra. That's a 33% jump from the 45 watts we've been stuck with since the S22 Ultra. 0 to 100% in under 45 minutes. Finally competitive with Xiaomi and OnePlus. And wait, there's a secret design change nobody is talking about. Ice Universe just dropped this. The black S26 Ultra now has a full black frame, not silver like before. Result? The bezels suddenly look thicker, but it's an optical illusion. Samsung is playing mind games with contrast, and honestly, it looks premium as hell. Now here's everything Samsung is upgrading this year. Get ready to upgrade your phone. Brand new M14 OLED panel, the brightest and most efficient ever. New privacy display mode that blocks side viewing in public. Faster wired and wireless charging. 3x telephoto jumps to higher resolution. Wider selfie camera, finally group selfies without cutting heads. Bigger vapor chamber, no more overheating in games. Faster LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. And yes, thinner and lighter body. So here's the million-dollar question. Is the S26 Ultra finally worth upgrading from your S24 Ultra or S23 Ultra? If you want 60-watt charging, better low-light photos, no more thermal throttling, and a design that actually feels fresh, yes, this is the biggest jump since the S21 Ultra. But comment right now, which color are you picking? Blood red, orange, or classic black? Drop it below. I'm reading every single comment. And if you want me to make a full comparison video S25 Ultra versus S26 Ultra the second more leaks drop, smash that subscribe and bell icon. This is just the beginning. 2026 is going to be insane. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.